Yawl, parked beneath a canopy of cottonwood trees, just outside Sedona. The sun dips behind red rock spires, painting the sky in streaks of amber and violet. Inside your motorhome, soft ambient lighting glows from hidden coves. Your feet sink into plush carpet. Dinner simmers on the stove. And through the panoramic windows, the whole world feels peaceful, private, and perfectly yours. This isn't just any RV. This is the 2026 Entegra Reatta XL. 4 OQ3 a masterclass in luxury, Misame engineering, and thoughtful design. And today, we're going beyond the brochure to show you why this might be the most refined Class A diesel pusher you can buy right now. Let's start outside. The Reatta XL 4OQ3 stretches 40 feet long, but it doesn't feel bulky, it feels commanding. That's thanks to Entegra's signature full-body paint in deep metallic finishes, seamless fiberglass siding, and elegant chrome accents that catch the light without screaming for attention. Up front, LED headlights wrap around the corners like jewelry, while the massive windshield gives you a panoramic view of the road ahead, almost like flying low over the landscape. Slides, open the electric entry door, and step onto real tile flooring. No cheap vinyl here. Immediately, your eyes go upward to the hand-laid hardwood ceiling with recessed LED lighting that you can dim or change color with a touch. To the left, a full-size wardrobe with soft-closed doors and built-in laundry chute. To the right, a residential-style kitchen that would make most apartments jealous. The galley features solid-surface countertops, a stainless steel farmhouse sink, and a full-height pantry with pull-out shelves. The appliances, all top-tier: a convection microwave, a 3-burner induction cooktop, and a French door residential refrigerator that holds 2 weeks of groceries. There's even a dishwasher, so you never have to scrub a single plate after dinner under the stars. This is where the 4OQ3 truly shines, thanks to 3 massive slide-outs, one on each side and one at the rear. The interior opens up into a space that feels more like a downtown loft than a motorhome. The L-shaped sofa is wrapped in premium ultra-leather, heated, and faces a 50-inch smart TV mounted above a real fireplace with flickering LED flames. Below it, genuine stone veneer adds texture and warmth. But the real magic is in the details. The lookless USB-C ports in every seat, whisper-quiet ducted air conditioning, motorized day-night shades that rise with a button press. Even the window frames are aluminum-wrapped for durability and clean lines. This isn't just built, it's crafted. Now, let's talk about the bedroom. At the rear of the coach, behind pocket doors for true privacy, lies a master suite that rivals 5-star hotels. A king-size bed floats on a platform with underbed storage, accessible from both sides. Above it, a 32-inch TV flips down from the ceiling. Flanking the bed are nightstands with wireless charging pads and reading lights that pivot exactly where you need them. Open the closet hand. Yes, it's a walk-in, and you'll find cedar-lined walls, LED lighting, and enough hanging space for a month-long journey. The ensuite bathroom. Oh, it's stunning! Real tile shower with a glass door, rainfall showerhead, and handheld sprayer. A porcelain toilet with soft close lid. A vanity with undermount sink, backlit mirror, and drawers that glide like silk. Even the towel warmer is standard. This isn't camping. This is living. It's built on Freightliner's XCM chassis with a Cummins X10 diesel engine, 450 horsepower. 1,000 pounds-ft of torque and an Allison, 3,000 mph. Transmission that shifts smoother than your daily driver. Add in independent front suspension, hydraulic leveling jacks, and a 10-camera monitoring system. And you've got a coach that's as confident on mountain passes as it is backing into a tight campsite a day. And let's not forget power. Dual 120-watt solar panels feed a 4,000-watt inverter and 2 lithium-ion batteries, enough to run the AC fridge and entertainment system off-grid for days. Plus, A 100-gallon freshwater tank and 50-gallon fuel capacity mean fewer stops, more freedom. What makes the Reatta XL for OQ3 stand out in a sea of luxury coaches? It's not just the specs, it's the balance. Other brands go flashy, Entegra goes thoughtful. Every switch, drawer, and seam feels intentional. There's no wasted space, no gimmicks, just intelligent design that serves real life on the road. Whether you're full-timing or escaping for weekends, this coach adapts to your rhythm. Compare it to competitors like the Tiffin Allegro, Red or New Mabe Star, and the Reatta holds its own, often surpassing them in build quality and warranty support. Entegra's 2-year full coach warranty is one of the best in the industry, and their dealer network is known for white glove service. If you could wake up tomorrow in any motorhome, would the Entegra Reatta XL for OQ3 be on your shortlist? Drop a comment below. Tell us, what feature blew you away? The walk-in closet? The residential kitchen? Or maybe that off-grid power system? Because here's the truth. RVs like this aren't just about travel. They're about reclaiming time. Building memories without checkout times or reservation fees. Waking up wherever inspiration strikes and knowing your home is already there, waiting. The Entegra Reatta XL for OQ3 isn't just a motorhome, it's a promise that adventure and comfort don't have to choose between each other. That you can have both. Beautifully. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of 2026's finest luxury coaches, do us a quick favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a review. We've got more premium RVs, van builds, and lifestyle tours coming soon. Until next time, keep exploring and drive with purpose.